All three powertrains come available as a 7-seater, which gives the Sorento a unique position in its segment. With its lounge-like feel-good ambience, the Sorento cabin is very inviting. The dash and door panels are sculpted to emphasize its strong SUV character, and sophisticated materials are used throughout the cabin. A few worthwhile to mention are the quilting Napa leather seats in black, a black roof liner, with customizable mood light interlinked satin look dash and door garnish. A large, horizontally expanding glossy black garnish houses the twin displays, the fully digital 12.3-inch driver instrument cluster, and the 10.25-inch high-resolution wide touchscreen. A rotary dial-type gear selector that features shift-by-wire technology and a parking brake that is engaged electronically with the touch of a button contribute to an ergonomically advanced interior. The terrain drive mode select dial, positioned on the center console, enables the Sorento to handle well on difficult-to-manage road surfaces such as snow, mud, and sand. UvoConnect, the Kia brand's innovative telematics system, is making its introduction to the Sorento. Supported by Kia Live Services, the system provides live information on traffic, weather forecasts, points of interest, and parking information, such as price, location, and parking availability. UvoConnect provides diagnostic data on the Sorento and information on trips taken. It enables the drivers to send route directions to their Sorento and to check on the location of their vehicles. The new Kia Sorento aims to maintain its 5-star performance at Euro NCAP, thus provides access to a wide range of safety and advanced driving assistance technologies. For example, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, and vehicle detection, including detection of approaching vehicles of oncoming traffic when making a left turn at an intersection. Blind spot view monitor that assists the driver when changing lanes by projecting a real image of their blind spot right in front of their eyes. And Sorento offers Remote Smart Park Assist, a parking convenience technology that enables the driver to remotely maneuver their Sorento into a tight parking spot via the controls on the smart key fob. With an increase in legroom by 93 mm, passengers of the second row seats benefit the most from Sorento's enlarged wheelbase. Asymmetric, flat-folding rear seats slide individually, so you can suit your Sorento according to your needs, be it passenger, bulky loads, or both you want to carry. To avoid stress for you and your loved ones, Sorento is filled with plenty of convenience features. Take the Smart Power tailgate, or the one-touch buttons in the cargo area that enable you to remotely fold the second row seats. Why walk the extra steps when the fingers can do the job? The new Sorento comes available with up to 2,100 liters of cargo capacity behind the first row seats, and as such maintains its position as having one of the most competitive cargo capacities in its class.